Hey, welcome one more time. How are you doing, everyone? Well, check out my background. This is a very, very special background for today's lesson. And it's about what? Guess what? It's about Christmas. Okay. There are people who love the Christmas spirit, and there are other people who uh, meh. That's a good expression. Meh. And there are people who deliberately hates Christmas. Well, here's the thing. Well, if you hate Christmas, you can just, you know, take out this video or stop it or go on with what you're doing. And the people who has this Christmas spirit is welcome to enjoy this. It's a special lesson for today. Is a lesson about Christmas songs. Um, Christmas to sing along, popular, timeless songs ever written since the 40s, the 50s, the 60s, 70s, and even from the present. So we're gonna make a list. If you want to make a list on Spotify, on YouTube, you can do it because beautiful songs, simple lyrics. You can sing along with these songs, and also they are very popular. If you want to practice your English listening and if you want to sing along, you're welcome to do that. Okay, first, one thing before we go to the video. I'm going to go through a list of different songs. We're not gonna hear them. Yeah, you're welcome to look for the song in YouTube or Spotify, whatever, but we can't actually play the song here in this video because YouTube doesn't allow you. We don't have permission. If we do this, maybe this video will be blocked. So we're going to make a little walk through the different songs. I'm going to tell you the story of the songs and the lyrics, and maybe on Instagram we'll do a different video with the songs, with the karaoke music. So I have to tell you this because you won't be able to listen to the songs, because this is how YouTube works. You have a copyright infringement, so your video will be blocked. So let's just go through the songs, and maybe they're popular songs, but you're welcome to look for them. Okay. Do you want any special songs? Do you have a favorite song? Okay, leave the comments and tell me if you want in the next video to analyze one of these songs, the one your favorite. Okay, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna in Spanish, of course. We're going to make some translation, vocabulary, and of course, at the end of the video, I'm going to sing for you. Oh yes, maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's go for it. Let's go for this video that I prepared. It's called Christmas List. It's a nice list. So let's go for it. Let me see here. By the way, this list is on my YouTube channel. It's called Christmas List. You're gonna find the songs here, but I repeat, you can't hear them because if you hear them now, I am in danger if I show the pictures of the videos to get my video banned or blocked. We're here. The first song is it's called the Christmas song. This song was popular in the 50s, originally sung by Nat King Cole. And he had this, slow pace, slow rhythm, beautiful melody. This version by Cliff Richard. Cliff Richard is a British singer, very popular in the UK. He's like a legend in the UK, and he performs this version. It's called like this. Look for it. Cliff Richard, the Christmas song, together with Cliff Richard, is from an album he did on 1991. A whole Christmas album, and this is a beautiful version. I recommend this version to all of you. So this is one of them. Let's go for the next one. Well, now we have Andy Williams. Well, let's go back to the 50s, the 40s. The musicals, Broadway. Andy Williams is the singer who made popular this timeless. Yeah, everyone sings this song. It's the most wonderful time of year, very popular to sing in Christmas Eve, in the Christmas evening, or if you want to listen right now. It's called The Most Wonderful Time of Year, and there are other versions, of course, but this is the original one by Andy Williams. By the way, this song is on the top 10 this week, on the top 10 in the Hot 100 chart from Billboard magazine. By the way, I'm going to talk about the charts and Billboard and American Top 40 in the following videos. So let's go for the next one. What do we have here? Okay, it's one more time. No, no, I got it. Well, here we have this song. Okay, it's Band Aid. Look at this Band Aid. The name of this band is not actually a band; it's a project made by Bob Geldof, who is a singer. He had a band, the Boomtown Rats, in the 1980s, and he had this project to like a fundraiser, when you get money for a cause. Well, this cause was the famine in Ethiopia in 1984. And for that reason, he gathered a lot of musicians and singers, pop singers, very popular singers at that time, Boy George Michael, Bono from U2, and Simon Le Bon from Duran Duran, many British artists. And they did this song, Do They Know It's Christmas? You don't know this song? Well, you have to, because it's one of the most popular songs, at least in Europe. There's another version that is We Are the World. We all know this song. Is a song by American artists, and is the equal to Do They Know It's Christmas by American artists Lionel Richie, Michael Jackson, from the same year, from the same cause, to fundraising for the famine in Ethiopia. It was a good cause. It's a beautiful song. I love to sing this song when these Christmas days are happening, and I put my list and I sing, feed the world, do they know it's Christmas time at all? You need to hear this song. Okay, now let's go for a classic. Yeah, let's go for another classic. Well, we have this is a Merry Christmas Everybody. It's a very famous song in the UK as well. Slade is a band from the 70s. Remember David Bowie, T-Rex, and other popular bands. This was like a hard rock glam band, and they were very tough, and in this song they say just Merry Christmas everyone, and it's a very family song. It's it's funny how a hard rock band performs a song where say, "Hey, Merry Christmas, everyone," and it's a good song. I love this song, and it's really out of context, 100%. Let's go. Do you want to hear a classic? Do you want to hear a classic? Well, you got this. Look at this. Well, look who we got here. She's the number one, ladies and gentlemen. She's the number one. Who is she? Who is she? Yeah, it's Mariah Carey. Yeah, Mariah Carey singing All I Want from Christmas Is You. What can I say? It's the number one song of Christmas all time. By the way, this week she returned to number one after 4 years. Every Christmas, 2 weeks before Christmas, she returned to number one. It's the most best-selling and streamed song in these days. So we all know this song. It's a great song, beautiful lyrics and beautiful melody. It's in a movie called Love Actually also. Great. Let's see what do we have here. One more song. Well, you better watch out. You better not cry. Santa Claus is coming to town. It's one of the most classic Christmas songs ever. Remember, this is Frank Sinatra. Well, and I think we're done here. And this one, yeah, this one is the most popular song, you know, Feliz Navidad by Jose Feliciano. And the chorus say, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. If you want to sing this song along, do it. Okay, this is it for the list. Let's go back. Now, did you like any of these songs? Okay, what's your favorite? Well, tell me who is your favorite, and I'm going to make another video with the lyrics and the melody so we can sing along in the next few days. What do you think? Do you want to accept this challenge? Well, I hope you like this video. Ask me for the list. I'm going to give the link of the playlist here in the description video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this, you are my student. So this is for you, okay? Well, and what can I say? Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. I hope you have a wonderful time, okay? That's it. See you in the next lesson.